After an hour or maybe over an hour, 2 hours, now it's time to test and taste. Now let me show you how to make it. This is cream, panna in Italian. So that's the cream. I'm letting it to boil in slow heat, adding sugar. This is a very, very special panna cotta with my homegrown saffron. I am a proud saffron farmer in my dream. Here's what we're doing for the saffron. I have warm water here and I'm going to soak the saffron. Not all of them because there's another recipe that I want to show you with saffron. I'm adding the saffron. I'm soaking gelatin into warm water before I add it to cream. It's transparent. I'm not dissolving it, I'm just softening it. And now into the cream. The name of this recipe, my recipe, saffron and orange panna cotta. We need the zest of orange, only the zest. Let it cool down before we move into the next step. Let's have a little taste. So luxurious, delicious. It's cooled down already and I'm ready to pour them in different containers. Let's start with glass. And this little mold here, if I can unmold it, wish me luck. I'm going to keep this in the fridge to set for a couple of hours. Something is missing to complete the recipe.